Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Sagittarius placements. Okay, so yeah, tingnan natin, sa reading na to, kung sino ba yung taong walang tigil, no, sa kakaisip sa'yo. Tingnan natin kung sino, anong energy niya. Tingnan rin natin kung bakit, anong dahilan. Ha? So yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Yeah. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, si Kuya Dingsi naman po ang pwede nating i-message at lapitan, okay? And yeah, pagdating po sa ating mga items, so meron tayong evil eye protection. So we have ring, evil eye ring protection. Okay, this is adjustable po ha. So nothing to worry pagdating sa sizes. And yung ating dalawang sample ng ating evil eye bracelets. Okay, so protection po ha from evil eye. This is the adjustable. Ito naman yung garterize. So sa adjustable, available ito sa red string. Okay, so ito yung merong initial na inilalagay kami. And yeah, yung ating evil eye necklace. So, merong extender yung kanyang chain. So, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, okay, and unisex po. Ha? Okay, so ganyan yung kanyang pendant. As you can see, meron dyang color blue na stone. Oo. So, pagdating naman sa love. So, ito siya. Si love bracelet. Okay, so anything under love, o di ba? Situation, no? No, under ng love. So, siya yung magfi-fix, siya yung magbibigay ng something kulang, or sabihin nating mag-aalis ng kailangan, mga ganyan. Okay? So, yan si love bracelet. This is 7 inches long. Mula doon sa pagkakabitan at doon sa lock. Okay? And, yeah, yung ating granter necklace. So, si granter, taga-grant ng mga minamanifest and taga-pagbigay ng mga surprises. No? Kahit yung hindi mo na minamanifest. O matic. Okay? So, this is non-tarnish. Hypoallergenic, 20 inches long yung chain. Pwede naman gumamit ng ibang chain kung gusto nyo. Okay? And, yeah, this is unisex and made to order. Okay po, yung granter natin is made to order. Hindi po ito basta-basta gagawin lamang tulad ng ganito. Okay? So, and ito rin. This is made to order, no? Made to order po yung ating itong bracelet na ang tawag dyan, adjustable. Okay? So, anything. So, basta po magme-message lang para kami ay makakasagot. Pero syempre, no, sa dami-dami po, no, isa lang si admin. So, pasensyahan na lang muna po ha. Oo, talagang pasensya, habaan ng pasensya. Okay, kasi isa lang si admin. Hindi ko pwedeng buksan yung mga messages, lalo na kung transactions. Naku, magkakagulo kami ni admin, ha? Ako talaga is okay. Kung anong sasabihin niya, yun lang ang aking gagawin. Parang ganyan. So, para, 'di ba? Unawa lang. And, yung ating pang-cord cut. Okay, yung ating pang-cord cut is pag-aalis po, no, ng mga hindi na kailangang energies na nakakapit pa sa'yo. Para hindi na ganun kabigat, or sabihin natin para mawala na yung kabigatan na nangyayari or nadadama, no, ng inyong mga energies inyo mismo. Yung iba sa inyo, sabihin natin, may sakit, nagkakasakit madalas, ang sakit ng ganito ko, ganito, ganyan, kasi may nagmamanifest na hindi maganda. Okay, ganun po ha. So yeah. So let's start your reading, Sag. This is for Sagittarius placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Okay. So, let's see. Sino ba itong tao na walang tigil sa kakaisip sa'yo, Sag? Okay. Sagittarius placements. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay. Who is this, Sag? Anong meron sa kanya? Oh, sudden wealth. Okay. So, I'm getting, angel number dito, 777. That is so nice. Alam nyo, eto yeah, may lover sa taas, oh. Okay. So, for me, yung 777, pagdating sa love, this is, sabihin nating, angel number when it comes to twin flame. Yes, yun ang hindi rin alam ng iba. Okay, I don't know kung naniniwala kayo sa ganyan, twin flame, ganyan. Well, oo, medyo mahilig lang din ako magbasa. So, yeah, 777 is isa pang angel number about twin flame. So, nakita natin si lover. Okay, si lovers, pagdating sa tarot, that's twin flame. So, may chance, itong taong to, sabihin nating, wow, bongga. Oo, ganun yung energy. Okay, it's like jackpot. Parang ganyan. Pwedeng sabihin nating, minamanifest mo tong taong to. Ginugusto mo, something like that. It's like hitting the jackpot, parang ganon. Or maybe sila yung nakakaramdam ng ganon pagdating sa'yo. Let's see. Okay? Yeah. Number 11 could be significant. So, 11. Diba? Sabihin natin, 11, mga ganyan. Yeah. Mga angel number. Let's see. Number 15 din could be significant. Nakita kasi natin to. Okay? Could be significant. 11 and 15. So, what's with this? Sudden wealth. Ito, specific. Some of them, nagkaroon ng biglaang pera. Parang ganyan. Hindi yun para sa lahat. Hindi ko rin alam kung alam mo yun. Pwedeng nakatago. Nakatago lang yung idea na yun or something na yun pagdating sa'yo. Pwedeng hindi ka aware. Wala kang idea about doon. So, let's see. What's with this sudden wealth? Okay. Sudden wealth. The Chariot. Somebody wants or love cars. Specific. That's with this Chariot. Pwedeng Cancer yan. They love to travel. They have money. Okay. So, specifically, some of them may nangyaring changes or pagbabago sa buhay nila in general. Yeah, the 8 of Wands. The 8 of Cups in reverse. This is your past person, I think. Yeah. May chance na past person mo to. Justice. Number 11. So, 11. Diba? Yes. Twin flame. I think this is a strong connection. I think. So, malakas ang water sign dito. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have Gemini. Okay. This is nice. Let's see. Ano bang situation nyo? Kasi, ako itong parang may nakukulangan pa. May kulang pa dito. Gusto ko makita anong situation nyo nito. Ngayon, aside sa pwedeng ex mo siya. Anong meron? The Two of Pentacles. There's this juggling pagdating sa situation. What's with that? What's with that? The 10 of Cups. The Sun in reverse. Oh my. Meron ditong committed or involved. May involve somebody, may family. Somebody. This person is jealous. Sag. This person is jealous. It's like ikaw yung jackpot. Okay, ikaw yung parang jackpot na gusto niyang panalunan. Parang ganun. Pero they can't. Or maybe, I don't know who's who, ang meron ditong family. Ikaw ba or siya? Meron din ditong parang, eto kung hindi man yon, meron ditong parang kailangan kong unahin yung pamilya ko or kailangan kong unahin yung kasiyahan ko sa sarili ko. Like, sarili ko muna. Parang ganon. Okay? So, bakit ka na iniisip ngayon? Bakit ka iniisip ng taong to? There's blockage. There's resistance. Tension. Dito sa situation. Why? Oo, the star. Ikaw yung mahirap makuha. Pwede nga ikaw, Sag, no? Ang may family eh. Pero, anyway, pwedeng siya, pwedeng ikaw. Okay, just, take what resonates. Okay? So, merong sabihin nating pagdadalawang isip, may pagpili na nangyayari sa side nung isa. Okay? May chance na there's this blockage. Kasi, blockage na sabihin natin siya yung parang nagbibigay ng dahilan para hindi maging kayo. Or, it's like gate. Nandito siya, nandito ka. May gate sa inyo. There's this blockage in general. At ang taong ito, Sag, may chance na hindi kanya ma-let go. Iba sa inyo, may nangyari ng ending. Okay? So, yeah, pwedeng past person mo nga to. They're like resisting pagdating sa healing. Okay? Nire-resist nila yung healing dito. That is why. Ayaw nila eh. Some of them may chance na, may mga opportunity na dumarating when it comes to love. Pero, I don't like this. I don't like them. Parang ganon. I just want Sag. Pero paano? I don't know, may pamilya si Sag or meron akong pamilya or something. May inuuna si Sag, may inuuna ako. Parang may ganyan. Ikaw yung gusto niya. You're like the star na napakahirap kunin at imposibleng makuha. They're like staring at you. Staring at you. Admiring you from afar. Oh. They like you really, really, really a lot. So what is their next action? Their future action towards you, Sag? What is their future action for you? To you. Let's see. The Magician. Manifesting you. They want communication. They want connection. They want to have maybe a reconnection. What's with that Magician? Yeah, the world. They want changes. Yeah. They're obsessing over this. They're obsessing. Five of Swords in reverse. Gusto nila na magkaroon ng sabihin nating sabihin nating start, gateway, paraan, something like that. It's like gagawin ko anything. Some of them, they're manifesting an ending. Yeah, or changes pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. In general. They're manifesting maybe na may magbago sa isip mo, may magbago sa mga desisyon, pananaw mo, mga ganyan. They're not doing something na like typical na may sasabihin sa'yo, may message sa'yo. Walang ganon. This is just manifesting something about changes, endings. Because alam mo yun, they're regretting something. They're like, parang, I'm sad, I'm depressed, some of them. I need Sagittarius. Ganon ang nakikita ko sa kanya. Ayaw niyang masasayangan siya dito. Ikaw ba naman, tingin niya sa'yo. Jackpot. Anyway. So, anong outcome / advice for you, Sag? I don't know kung gusto mo pa tong taong to or hindi na. Pero anong kailangan gawin ng mga Sagittarius? And yeah, tingnan natin ano bang magiging outcome. Anong outcome nyo ng taong to? Justice. Again. Lumabas siya. Meaning, kung anong dapat, kung anong tama, doon tayo. Kasi si Justice, this is being fair. Okay? Being fair. Patas na laban. Parang ganon. Okay? Kung mali, mali yun. Kung tama, tama yun. Parang ganyan. Okay? Hindi pwede yung mali sa tama. Parang ganon eh. Hindi pwede yung tama sa mali. Gets nyo? Okay. So, this justice telling me na pwedeng clarity to, closure for some of you, or kaliwanagan nga, no? Kailangan meron kang maipaliwanag. Something like, yung sabihin nating makakaramdam ng acceptance, yung makakarinig, or clarity. Okay? Answers. Like, mabibigyan mo ng hustisya. Okay? Yung sitwasyon. Yeah, the Emperor. So, sinasabi dito, this is being fair. Being fair. Okay? This is managing kung anong mga kailangan. Okay? Ito yung parang meron ditong kailangan magmatanda or may kailangan magpaunawa. Okay? At kailangan ding may makaunawa sa sitwasyon. Sabihin natin, yes, gusto mo, paano? Paano? Kung ganito nga ang mga sitwasyon. Kung anong kailangan, kung anong dapat, yun ang gagawin. Okay? This is a strong connection daw. Yeah, a strong connection. Hindi ko maisasantabi yan. This is a strong one. Kaya ganito. Okay? Pagiging patas. Pag-iisip ng tuwid dito dapat. Okay? So, yun ang kailangan. Anyway, so, yeah, hindi ko nababanggitin yung mga zodiac sign na nandito. This could be any sign anyway. So, tayo ito muna sa all signs for you, Sag. Okay. So, Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. The zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries. Some of them unstable. Okay? Unable to commit. Parang may ganyan. Non-committal. Not ready. Taurus. Ayaw nila ng control. They want freedom. May ganun na energy si Taurus. Gemini, they want to end a cycle. They want to make a decision. Cancer, they like you physically. They're passionate. Leo, there's ending, changes. Okay? Virgo, they will express their love for you. Yeah. Libra, okay, so wala nang effort, wala nang focus si Libra pagdating sa'yo. Some of them gusto nilang may i-end na something. Okay, kasi it won't work. Like, doesn't work, no? Parang may ganun. not working out. Parang ganyan. Scorpio. Oh, they're manifesting you. Yeah. There's this blockage din with this Scorpio. Sagittarius. Third party. Okay, third party involved. May chance na meron ditong ending. They can't commit. They will just hurt you in the end, or sa ngayon, the situation is not worth it, I think. Capricorn, they're thinking of you. They want to take some rest. They want to take a break from the situation. Okay? Some of them, meron silang mga inihahanda, something like a message. I don't know kung anong nilalaman. Aquarius, there's this unfinished business with this Aqua. Pisces, you're being cold and detached. Silent. But yeah, they're thinking something. Maybe there's this plans. Okay, may minamanage si Pisces ngayon. Okay, they want clarity, maybe they want closure, something like that. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.